Here's an image of a dollar note. Let's use image warp to make it look as if it's lying down and viewed from a different angle. We'll go to Edit and Free Transform, and we can change the scale here, as we'd expect if we press the Image Walk button on the options bar. We now get the standard handles. Let's start off by choosing the flag preset. There's just the one handle, and we can drag this up and down to change the amount of distortion applied to this flag. Now, rather than committing to it, we can go back into Free Transform, and we can go ahead and adjust this. If we grab a corner handle, we could hold Option, Shift Command on the Mac control, Shift out on a PC to produce a perspective distortion. We'll adjust the height and width using the same controls in the bottom corner to make it look as if it's lying on that surface. Again, rather than committing to it, let's go back into Image Warp, and there's a handle just as we left it, and we can increase or decrease the amount of this distortion. We can now change this from Flag the Preset to Custom, and we get handled all around it. This allows us to customize the appearance by changing all of these corner points individually. So we get full control over the shape of this banknote when we hit the Enter key. All we have to do now is use the burn tool to add a little shading to make it look that much more three-dimensional. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.